Hello, algebra students. So I have really, really good news. Even though this example looks challenging to students, this might be the simplest one on the entire practice test. Let's take a look. It says the volume of a rectangular prism is given by the equation V equals LWH, right? We know this. It's on the formula sheet if we needed to look it up. But the volume of a rectangular prism is the length times the width times the height, right? Where L is the length, W is the width, and H is the height of the prism. Solve the equation for W width. All right, so what are they asking us to do? They're asking us to solve the equation for W. That's some interesting language. Width. Well, where's the equation? V equals LWH. Now, it'd be easy to say, hey, Kate, I can't solve this equation for W because I don't know what V, L, and H are. You don't have to know what V, L, and H are in order to get W alone, right? Whatever L, V, H, whatever they are, they're just numbers. And so they're going to behave like numbers would. If you would get rid of a number through adding, you'll get rid of the letter through adding. If you would get rid of a number through dividing, you will get rid of a letter through dividing. So the important thing here, though, is to keep track of which numbers stay still and which ones are moving. And so I like to have my students put the thing we're solving for in a different color. So if I'm solving for W, that means W is going to stay still. And I'm going to move everything that's with W away. In this case, the L and the H have got to go if W is going to be alone. Now, we move things through opposites. Doesn't matter if those things are known numbers or if they're variables, mystery numbers. We're still going to move them the same way. So what are L and W and H doing right now? Well, they're all shoved together. They're all multiplying. So if I want to get rid of them, I'm going to get rid of them through division. And really nice news, you can move the L and the H and divide them away at the same time. And so I'm going to divide by LH. And I can do whatever I want as long as I do it to both sides. And let's see what our new equivalent equation will be. I would argue this is actually easier than when you know the numbers. Because look, multiplying by L and dividing by AL are opposites, they cancel. Multiplying by H and dividing by H are opposites, they cancel. W is alone just like I wanted. And W is going to be equal to, you say, Kate, I don't know what volume divided by length times height is because I don't know those numbers. No, you don't. So you just write it. Volume over length times height. So let's see, where's the correct answer? There we go. They wrote it in the opposite order, but we can still see width is equal. Oh, no, that's not it. Oh, that's in the wrong order. Here we go. D. Width is equal to volume divided by length times height. D is the correct answer. All right, that was easy. We needed an easy one. All right, you guys, super proud of you. Happy learning.